Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a table which gives the population of the United States in millions for the years 1900 to 2010. We're asked to use a graphing calculator with exponential regression capability to model the US population since 1900. We're asked to use the model to estimate the population in 1925 and to predict the population in the year 2020. So what we're going to do is we are going to take our exponential regression calculator, which I'm about to pull up in a second, and we're going to enter for the y value, the y variable, the population in millions. And for the x value, we're going to input the year. But not just the year straight up, the year in terms of years since 1900. So for example, 1900 would be 0, right? 1950 would be 50, and so on for all of those points. You can see here, if I pull it up, we have an exponential regression calculator that I just found online. We have our points inputted here, and we get an output of this regression equation. So if we use this, pulling this off, we get an equation, y equals 80.48498 times 1.0127 to the x. Here, y represents the population in millions, and t represents the years since 1900. Sorry, x represents that. And what we have to do is say, okay, 1925 and 2020. Those are 25 years. So we plug in 25 for x. And 120 years for this one. And these values are the estimation of this equation for the population in those years. And rounding to the nearest person, we get 110 people and 366.